So it so happened that on the night of 6 May 2023, Shri Running Nongkanri, a 34-year-old trucker who was a resident of Jalanteng village, was traveling along the Punasla-Doki road along with his cousin brother by the name of Shri Debalskem Nongkanri. Credible sources indicate that the truck driver was intended to enter the by-lane along the Punasla-Doki road when suddenly, without rhyme or reason and without any warning whatsoever, one BSF personnel who was stationed at a checkpost at Motion village opened fire at a very close range, which hit Shri Running Nongkanri on his head, which ultimately resulted in his instantaneous death. Of course, we are now aware that the case has been registered at the Punasla police station and that further investigation was conducted. I believe that the law will take its own course and that the guilty will be prosecuted as per the law of the land and that justice will prevail as far as the unjustified killing of Shri Running Nongkanri is concerned. My concern here, however, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that the family of Shri Running Nongkanri is unfortunately not getting the humane consideration which it should be getting. The deceased has a family of his young wife and 2 young children, one age around 4 years old, another age around 3 months old, and they also belong to an extremely poor family, and there's no other breadwinner for the family presently. I was very pained to see the circumstances in which a family is now surviving, and the sad fact is that even now, 4 months have passed, no relief whatsoever have been extended by the Border Security Force. Neither the BSF nor the Government of India has sanctioned any kind of relief to the families. I would therefore strongly urge the state government through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, to kindly take up this matter in the strongest possible manner with the Government of India so that justice is done within a fixed time, maybe a month or so, and whatever relief is sanctioned is done accordingly to the norms. I am sure that such cases in the BSF and the recent cases will exist, which will enable the Government of India to act on the basis of laid down norms with due sense of urgency in this matter.